Hey friends, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I'm going to do another album share with you guys. I showed you guys this type of album before, and I decorated it. This is the one that we actually done inside our group, Scrappin' Pages in Time. So if you would like to join our group to learn how to make this album, go over to Scrappin' It Up's fan page. And there's a link there that you can ask to be it's a closed group, so you just ask to join it and I will accept you, and you can learn how to make projects with us. And I do these on live videos where you can ask questions. I answer your questions, and we're just one big happy family. So this is the album that we done in class. I use Simple Stories, Summer Vibes. This is an older collection. I think it's from 2000. Oh, I remember seeing that somewhere. 2015. Okay, Simple Stories. So this is the album that we actually made during our live class. I think we done it in two different classes. And again, I just the closure is a ribbon closure. And I put a loop here so you could run your ribbon through. Okay. And there's the spine. And there's the back. I love that paper. Ah, such cute paper. Okay, and this opens up. And again, I just scored that several times to give you, if you made it a chunky monkey, it would account for that. So this opens up, and again, a magnet closure, because we have a waterfall inside here. And it just flips up. Okay. And again, I teach you how to make this from start to finish, ladies. Okay, decorating it and it all. And then again, we have our pocket here, and I have some photo mats in there. And they just slide right back down in here. Summer, busy, enjoying life. And then that opens up, and then you've got a pocket here. And I done that one because that way you can journal, or you can journal, put a photo on the back, just totally up to you guys, because journaling is very important when you're doing this. Okay, and then that opens up, and then this opens up like that. Ah, beautiful, I love it. And then I done the back as I done the front with a magnet. And again, you have a waterfall. And the magnet just holds it in place. So if you guys would like to learn how to make this, ask to join the group, Scrappin' Pages in Time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Hit the notification button. That way, every time that I upload a new video, you will never miss out on my new projects. Okay, this is a Summer Vibes album, and happy scrapping, guys, and we'll be talking to you guys later. Bye-bye.